Do you dream of making a woman completely obsessed with you, to the point where she can't stop thinking about you constantly? In this video, I'm going to reveal powerful strategies to captivate her attention and make her want to be near you again and again. But be careful, it's not just about words or actions, it's a mindset. You'll discover what it really takes to become the man she can't get enough of. Ready to master the art of seduction? Let's get started. Number 1. Be polite. Being courteous doesn't mean being boring. It means knowing how to treat others with respect, a quality that most women look for in a partner. Show her that you know how to be considerate of others by practicing these behaviors with everyone, not just her. Say, please, thank you, and you're welcome. Also, use expressions like, I would appreciate it if, or, I'd be grateful if you could. If someone is walking through a door behind you, hold it open for them. Avoid swearing or saying anything rude in public or in mixed company. It's fine to be relaxed around your friends, but make sure to show your best side in front of people you don't know well. The most important thing is to have good manners at all times. Number 2. Think before you speak. Everyone can say awkward things from time to time, but do your best to avoid this in front of that girl. Take a few seconds to evaluate what you're going to say before expressing it. Don't talk about other girls. You might think making her jealous is a good idea, but in reality, you should avoid that. Discussing the looks of other girls in front of her will make you seem superficial and fickle. She wants to feel like she's the only one who truly captures your attention. Avoid coming off as a bully. Don't throw out insults casually or embarrass others, even if it's meant as a joke. She may not fully understand your humor or remarks. Don't tell vulgar jokes. There's a time and place for everything, and raunchy jokes are better suited for a close circle of friends. Be mindful of your words in her presence. Number 3. Give her a sincere compliment. One of the things you should say in her presence is a nice, honest compliment. It's not as hard as it seems. Here's what you need to do. Think about what you like most about her. It could be her smile, her laugh, or her intelligence, whatever attracts you the most. One caveat: avoid complimenting physical attributes, except for her smile or her eyes. She may have a great figure, but this isn't the time to mention it. Do it in semi-private. You don't need to be alone to compliment her, but try to avoid doing it in front of all her friends or yours who might be listening closely. You can also give her a compliment through text or chat. Keep your compliment short and sweet. You don't need to write 3 or 4 minutes of poetry to describe her. One simple sentence is enough. Pay attention to your phrasing. Instead of saying, that's a pretty dress, or, I like your clothes, say, you look stunning in that dress. Compliment the person, not just her outfit. Match your body language to your words. Smile and look her in the eyes while giving the compliment. Number 4. Step back a little. This is the hardest step when you're obsessed with a girl, but it's the only guaranteed way to get out of the friend zone. If you want her to see you in a different light, you need to distance yourself for a while to allow your relationship to change direction when you start interacting again. Minimize contact for at least 3 to 4 weeks. This may seem endless, but you can do it. Be polite when you see her, but avoid going out together, having long phone conversations, and respond to her messages briefly and directly. If she asks why you've been more distant, explain that you need some time to focus on your priorities. Tell her it's nothing personal and that you're just working on achieving goals in several areas of your life. Most girls are attracted to ambitious men with clear motivations, so even if she's upset that you're not spending as much time with her, it's a good reason to give her. Number 5. Create a new first impression. After stepping back for a while, you'll have the opportunity to leave a different, first, impression when you're ready to reconnect. If you do it right, she'll start seeing you in a completely new light. Show up at your best. When you feel that the moment to see her again is approaching, make an extra effort to look your best. This way, you won't be caught off guard during your next meeting. Be clear about your intentions. If you want her to see you as a potential partner, then act accordingly. Flirt with her, look her in the eyes, and give her genuine compliments. Avoid falling back into your old habits of putting her on a pedestal, but make her feel special without putting yourself down. Number 6. Don't be too flexible with your availability for her. Instead of being available whenever she wants, make her work a little to get your attention. For example, you might not have time to come and watch a romantic comedy with her while she's complaining about her ex, but you will be available to take her out for dinner on Friday if she's interested. Draw a clear line between what you used to do for her while you were in the friend zone and the things you can do as a potential boyfriend. Be mindful of maintaining that distinction.